Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this San Diego State University head coach Brian Dutcher bobblehead. So, this is a bobblehead I got from a friend of mine. It's pretty cool. All right, some text of the coach. All right, let's get into it. I love bobbleheads. Wow. Coach Brian Dutcher. Nice San Diego State logo. Nice bobblehead. Yeah, it's really cool. Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. And I'll catch you guys all for the next unboxing video. Later.